My name is Jim Brito. I'm the owner of Boston Quality Cleaning Service. I'm be here with Mr. Tom Sivak. He's going to say a few things about my company.
Great, thanks, Gene.
Thank you.
Gene and Marley have been cleaning and performing services in my building for maybe, 5 years
Yes.
or so? And everything has been really very great. They show up always the same time. We do twice a week at our building. Everything is always great when we come in the next morning. The best thing about Gene and Marley is I can always call them. If I have a question, I have a special project, I have their number, and they always pick up the phone. It never goes to voicemail. And that's really nice with companies because I know I'm talking to the owners, so that's really great. So that's great. The other great thing is we do special projects sometimes. I'll ask Gene, I'll ask Marley, what do you think about waxing the back? Or what about scrubbing the tile? We don't do it all the time, but he'll say, yeah, we can do that. It's this much money, and it's always a great price, rather than bringing somebody else out that I don't know. So I always feel like Gene and Marley have been a partner with me in making sure my building is great for my employees. So I'm really looking forward to continuing my work with them.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Tom.
Thank you, Gene.
Tom.
Thank you so much, Tom.
Thank you very much.
Mm.